Alright guys, welcome back to Happy 2024 guys. You can hear fireworks. I'm filming outside of my yard, so
Happy 24. But I'm sorry. This is what we're doing about orange ones. On top. This is still open? This should be open.
Look at that.
Where?
Haha.
Sorry you guys, I get very excited. Oh. It's not that much, but on 4th of July, it's like pop, 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 pop. Happy Merry Little.
Yeah guys, so here's to good 2024 guys. Hopefully we do it. When we made it through this year guys, we'll make it to 2024, 2025.
Hopefully.
Look at that over there.
I wish we got to do that, but...
So this is the other part. So there's more over here.
Alright, go turn the top, bro.
I'm filming, that's why I don't wanna...
Yeah. No. There's more where you're sitting. Ready to keep them big?
I told you they're all over the place guys, all over the place, so...
I'll just show you. We keep hearing the pops, but I don't feel it. Right?
Dude.
Oh, there's some. Yeah, too. I hate how we have to go like...
Oh, got that one.
Oh, that's
Now
good.
that was a good one. Hear music in the background, not mine. That's far, so I really can't pick it up.
Please, it's not loud. It's like right here. Oh yeah, it's loud. Nice, not new
End of part 1.